guys, Stevie here, and today I'm back with more Java coding tutorials. So today we are going to be creating the runtime method. So method is basically like if you knew Lua, a function, or if I went public static void be cool, and this basically will say if I ever call be cool, everything inside of here will be activated. But I can also ask for a parameter like boolean ru is cool. And if, well, actually I'll just say actually I won't do anything with that, but if I go is be cool, now when I call it, I have to put a boolean in there. So I could say I am gonna be cool or I'm not gonna be cool, or I can go ahead and put the variable from up here into there. Now it's giving me an error because in Java I can't just go, you know, do something. It's kind of weird, but you can't just call a method. Like, that's how you make a frame. Now you have to import it, but oh well, actually that would work. But you can't like do things, if you know what I mean. You can't do actions that don't involve setting variables. And to be able to do that, you want to create a method called public static void main. Now it's going to take an array of arguments. What this basically says is, for example, if I went string hi equals, I could have multiple things in one variable. So I could go hi, hello, how are you, nice to see ya. So what this basically says is the variable hi will have 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have 4 basically phrases inside of it. So if I go hi 0, it will call out this. But if I go hi 1, it will call out that. 2, it calls out that. 3, it calls out that, and so on. So that's how that works. And then basically when you run a program, you can choose to give it arguments, and if you do, they are stored into here. So basically now, if I wanted to, I could actually call that function I had, public static void be cool. So now if I go be cool in here, you'll notice it will not give me an error because it's not doing anything wrong. So if I go ahead and run this program, nothing will happen, but it ran. Now, if you don't put this guy in here, and you do that, and I hit run, you'll see we actually get an error, because there is no main method found anywhere in this project. So there's no way for the project to run, so it's going to give you an error. Now, if I want it to be cool, we can go ahead and show you a new thing called system.out. System is a class, and out is part of that class. If you press command click, it opens the declaration. So it's actually a print stream, which is a type of variable, but there's a ton of types of variables. And if I just go print system.out print ln, it prints a new line to the console. So I could put I am not cool. So if I do that, it will say I am not cool in chat. But another cool thing you can do is if you put a little plus at the end of a string, you can add a variable onto it. So I could put am I cool, and then it would go ahead and put true at the end because I have it setting in true. But if I go ahead and put false, you'll notice it displays false in there. So there's proof. And what I can actually do is display variables and just be like that. What I can go ahead and do is I can go ahead and go system.out.println, and I can go name plus my name. And then I'm actually going to copy this, as most programmers are lazy anyway. Then I'm going to be cool. And then I'm going to go cool. And finally, I'm going to go awesome. And I'm going to go times been awesome. So what this will do, it will basically print my name, CJ Burkey. Am I cool? Yes. And how many times have I been awesome? This many times. So you could technically just put these things in here. And actually, if we had them in there twice, it would paste every single one of them twice. So yeah, next episode we're going to discuss creating a frame for the user to be able to interact with. And this one, the next one might be a little harder to grasp, but don't worry, once you've been coding Java for a while, you'll start to understand it. It is pretty complicated sometimes. So I'll be back next episode, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like. Bye.